Okay guys, talking about order of operations. The most important thing to remember is Bedmas. Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Remembering that division and multiplication are essentially on the same level, and you just do them in the order of what comes first, left to right. Same with addition and subtraction, they're on the same level, doing them in the order of what comes first, left to right. So if you have a question, for example, 9 plus 8 times 2 divided by 4 equals, first thing we're going to do is look and see B, are there brackets? Yes, there are. Then within the brackets, we're going to follow Bedmas as well. There aren't any more brackets, there aren't any exponents, so then I'm looking, division and multiplication. There's both. So even though D comes before M, they're on the same level. So I'm looking and I'm working from the left to the right, and I see that the multiplication comes first. So 8 times 2. The other thing to remember here, guys, is please, please, please write down your steps. It's the best way to avoid making mistakes. So here I'm going to rewrite 9 plus. Now instead of 8 times 2, I'm going to put in 16. And then I'm rewriting divided by 4. Next step, still stuff in brackets, the 16 divided by 4, which is obviously 4. Rewriting. Finally, 9 plus 4 equals 13.